Indonesian parliament has delayed approval for a levy on plastic bags yet again. It was first introduced in 2016 and the plan, has been delayed several times due to resistance from plastic producers. But the country's finance minister is optimistic that the legislation will be adopted this year. The proposed excise duties start from about $2 per kilogram of plastic in hopes of cutting plastic bag use. Indonesia is the world's second biggest contributor of marine plastic pollution, churning out 9.85 billion plastic bags yearly.
Indian rescuers have begun airlifting bodies of 7 climbers killed in an avalanche near the country's second highest peak. So far, 4 bodies have been brought to the main town of Pithogarth, where they will be identified. A group of 8 climbers went missing on May the 31st after they failed to return to base camp near Nanda Devi. 1 body remains missing, and they were part of a 12-member expedition, but 4 Britons were rescued after breaking away.